Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jenna and long time no see. I took a little bit of a break. I haven't filmed a video in a while, and honestly it feels really good sitting down in front of the camera. So for those of you who aren't familiar, I am a full-time clothing seller over on the Poshmark app, so that's my full-time job. And here on this YouTube channel, I love sharing just my journey, any tips and tricks I pick up, kind of lifestyle stuff. I just like connecting with other people. So if that sounds good to you, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. But today's video I'm really excited for. It's something I like to do on my channel, and it is a grandma hanger unboxing video. So my grandma lives up in New York City. She's an amazing thrifter. I like to think I get some of it from her, and she finds stuff for me to sell over on Poshmark. So she definitely pays attention to like what I list in my closet, the brands I like to sell, the style, things like that. So she kind of knows what I would like to have. So she's definitely picky with her inventory. And I have this box over here that I'm gonna open up today, and as I go through everything, I'll probably just estimate what I'm gonna be listing these things for, the price I'm gonna be listing them at on Poshmark. But when I actually sit down and list is usually when I'll look up items if I'm not familiar with them, or just to see like the current comps and how much they go for. So even though I'll be estimating prices today, it might be a little bit different once they get listed. So if you ever want to check out my Poshmark closet, or shop any of these items, see how much I actually list them for, I always have it linked in the description box down below. It's just Empty Hanger. But without further ado, let's open up Grandma's latest box. Okay, so I have the box open and it is packed pretty full. First thing we can see on top is a sweater, and it is a beautiful light pink color crew neck sweater. Feels like some kind of wool, and it's by Everlane. So there's the tag. This is Everlane. Everlane is a really nice brand. They make really high quality like basics, wear to work. This sweater is in amazing condition. So this sweater is a size small, and it's actually 100% cashmere, not wool. So amazing cashmere sweater. This thing probably retailed for a couple $100s, and I'll probably list it around like $50 or $60. I don't sell this brand very often, so I'm gonna definitely have to look that one up. And then another really fuzzy sweater. This one's definitely more textured. It's black, which is a little harder to see on camera. It's a longer length. And this one's by 1 Teaspoon, which I love 1 Teaspoon. I actually just found a denim jacket by them myself, and this one's a size small. So size small, 1 teaspoon. And typically for 1 teaspoon, I feel like I find jeans or denim more often than anything like a sweater. So I'm not sure what this would go for, but maybe around $40 for this sweater. Okay, into some activewear, which is Grandma Hanger's favorite section to look at. She loves her Lululemon, so I see quite a bit in here, which is no surprise if you guys have seen any of her videos before. But yeah, this is just a Lululemon racerback tank top. It's the cool racerback. It's just a plain style with the logo on the back. These usually go for around $30, 25 to 30. And then we have a pair of crop leggings. These are also Lululemon. There's the symbol on the back. I want to say these are called the In the Flow or something like that. I'll have to double check. I've sold quite a bit of Lululemon by now, so I kind of know some of the style names of like the more basic pieces, but for a lot of stuff, I'll either look it up on lulufanatics.com, or else I'll also just search on Poshmark and see if I can find it that way, because a lot of times people on Poshmark have already done the work for you, and you can just get the information that way. So these are a size, okay, so this pair is a size 6, and for these type of capris, I don't know if you can see right there, but it says size 6 in the hem very faintly. So if the tag's missing, you can double check in the hem of the pant. So probably like $40, $45 on these crop ones. Okay, I see a fun pair of printed Lululemon leggings, and these are a full length legging, I believe, or maybe an ankle length, and it almost looks like a cloud striped print with polka dots. I really like that print a lot. It's got the logo on the waistband, and this style I believe doesn't have any kind of size tag on it, so I'll have to measure them. They look a little bit smaller, maybe around a 6 on these, and I'll probably list these around $50 or $60 just because they're printed and they're a longer length, so they typically go for a little more. And then I have another sweater, so I'm excited because now is like sweater season. A lot of people are shopping for their like fall or winter wardrobe, and I can tell by this little cutout label that this is a Lululemon sweater, because that's typically where people take out the size tag, and there is a logo down here, the little metal logo. So it's a Lululemon sweater. It kind of looks like, I can't tell, I think this is navy blue. My lighting's kind of weird in here, so I'll have to double check. Either navy blue or like a really dark gray color, and just a nice long sleeve with thumb holes. So probably around 50 or 60 for the sweater. The sweaters go for a lot. Ooh, I see something really cool in crochet. This is totally up my alley, and I absolutely love crochet items. Anything like bohemian, hippie, and grandma definitely found something that is my style. So this is a maxi skirt. I don't know if you can see the whole thing, and it is by Free People, which I love Free People. I definitely think the more unique items like this go for more than some of their more basics. It's a size small, Free People, and it's sheer, so you would definitely need to layer this, or you could wear it almost as a cover up. I feel like this will go for a lot. I'm gonna try and find the style name, maybe even around 65 for that, so that is definitely a score. That might be my favorite piece yet. And then we've got some graphic tees. So this is a white graphic tee, and it's embroidered. It says, "I'm gonna go to bed for a few days." That's hilarious. This is like something I would wear because I love to nap. I'm totally a napper. So I think that's so cute. Okay, it's an extra small, Wild Fox extra small, and I don't think I've sold a tee like this before, but maybe around 25 or 30 for this one. I'll probably start it at 30 and see. And then another graphic tee. This one says candy for breakfast. This is like a good post Halloween one if anyone has any like leftover candy. And this one's by Show Me Your Moo, which is another one of my favorite brands. Since I like selling the more like bohemian kind of hippie style, Free People, Show Me Your Moo, all of that. This is also an extra small. Maybe it came from the same person as the last one. The label's kind of faded on there. It actually says Moo Mellow, and Moo Mellow is more like their loungewear type of stuff, or like graphic tees, so super cute. Okay, more athletic wear. We've got a workout tank. This one has a really cool back, so I really like the back design. It is Lululemon. I saw it over there. So it is a Lululemon tank, and the ones with more of the strappy design go for a little more. I'll probably list this one around 35 or 40. And the size on this one, the tags in the lining, it's a size 2. So this is their smallest size. Okay, another Lululemon tank. This is a really pretty red one. I feel like their red stuff does really well. I don't really know why. But this one doesn't have the built-in bra. It's just got the little logo down there. And so without the bra, it doesn't usually have the size dot, so I'll just have to measure it. Probably like a size 4 or 6. This one does look a little smaller. And I'll probably list this one maybe at 35 because it doesn't have the bra. Ooh, this is a good one. So this is the classic Lululemon Swiftly Tech shirt. It's a short sleeve shirt. It's got the logo on the back. It's this like mesh material. You can kind of see the front has like a hidden Lululemon symbol. These always sell super fast, and it has the size in the lining, kind of like those pants I showed earlier, and this one is a size 8. So right there is the size 8, and that's a good size. I mean, honestly, any size sells. The larger sizes in Lululemon, like size 10 or 12, typically sell faster and for more, but honestly, any size is good. So that one, those usually I list around 40. They sell for around 35 to 40, especially black, because those are still sold in the store, and they're new, I think like $70. And then we've got a pair of gym shorts. These are, again, Lululemon. Grandma's a Lululemon magnet. She says she can just like spot it across the store. Like she knows even what it looks like. And it's funny because a lot of brands knock off Lululemon, but she just finds it. So these are a size 6. It says in the pocket, oh, these still have the tag. And black shorts, those typically do really well. I'll probably list these around $40, $35, $40. I hope to get for those. Ooh, I see something new with tags, and this is a brand I don't find that much, but is really, really popular. It is Gymshark. So this is a workout tank. Okay, this is the front. It's actually a graphic tank with the Gymshark logo on the front. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. It's got the little cutout on the back, and like I said, it's new with tags. So there's the Gymshark tag. It does have like all the information on it. So this one is a size small, and Gymshark was started by, I think, someone from Instagram, or it's like one of those influencer like gym lines, but they're super popular. So I'll probably list this one around $35. It doesn't retail for a lot, but it does usually resell pretty quickly. And then another workout tank, another Lululemon. I've never seen one like this before. It's just a skinny racer back, loose fit, throw it over your sports bra. No size tag, probably like 30 to 35 on that one. Again, a little bit less when they don't have the built-in bra. Ooh, these shorts, I actually just listed another pair of these in a different color, so I know the name of them, or I'll have to look at it in my closet. But it's just a really nice stretchy short with the logo. It's got pockets on the side, and I don't see the size off the top of my head, but these look really small, so I'd say like a 2 or 4. Probably 35 to 40 on those. Got a pair of black Lululemon crops, and these have like some sheer mesh paneling, the logo on the back, and they have the pocket, and the size is a 4, so probably like 50 on those. This is the Lululemon box right here, so if you like Lululemon, please check out my closet because I'm gonna have a lot of it. And these are beautiful. These are a purple crop. I don't know the style, but they feel really good. Just have the logo. I love this color. These are a size 8. So size 8 crop, probably $50 on these. Actually, I saw on CNBC maybe like 2 weeks ago, Manish, the CEO of Poshmark, was on there, and he was talking just about the business, but also some of the most popular brands on Poshmark, and he said Lululemon is one of the top sellers. So I know there's a lot of Lululemon listed, and it doesn't go for as much as it used to just because there is a lot of it, but just know that people are looking for it. So I think it's still a great thing to pick up. So we've got some Lululemon crops. These are like an abstract kind of print. I don't know how to describe that. They do have some mesh paneling. They have the side pockets, which is nice. You can stick your phone in there. These look like they've never been worn. They're super good condition, and they're a size 8. So like I said, I do look up the names of them either on Lulu Fanatics or on Poshmark. I try to find it, but if I can't, like I don't want to spend hours and hours looking, I just like try to describe it as best as possible. And another Swiftly item. Ooh, this one's actually new with tags. So she found a new with tags Swiftly tank top. It's got a really high neck, and then it obviously still has the tag in it, so it's a size 6, and this is just called the Run Swiftly Tech Tank, and it retailed for $48. It's new with tags. I'll probably list this one at $40. Some Lululemon crops in a beautiful dark purple color, and these have the logo on the front. They're more of a loose fit. I'm pretty sure these are the Dance Studio crop, and these are a size 4. Probably $50 on those. Another pair, is this the same thing? Yeah. These might be a little longer. These look almost more like a jogger, but it's that same kind of material, like a nylon-y material, and it's got the logo on the back. And these, okay, so these are a size 8. So she's found a lot of 8s, some 4s, some 6s, a good variety. Ooh, I see some graphic tees, my other favorite thing. Look at this one, Drake. Go Grandma. I like that one a lot. So this is by Bravado. Oh, there we go. It's a size small. Excellent condition. Probably 25 to 30 on the Drake one. I don't think I've ever sold a Drake tee before. Ooh, this is a really nice Aerosmith band tank. It's burnout material. It's by Chaser, which is a great graphic tee brand. It is a size large, and this one will probably go for 35 to 40. Those retail for probably around $70. They sell them on Free People, Revolve, like a ton of higher end websites. Okay, this shirt is really cool. Wow. Okay, so we've got a Led Zeppelin tie-dye band tee. Can you guys see the detailing on that one? This one's super cool. This might be the coolest one I've seen in a while. It's by Liquid Blue, and it's a size medium, and I'm pretty sure this is the older Liquid Blue tag. The one that's a tag like this, because newer ones that I've sold, they have it printed on the back. So I'm gonna see if I can see a date. Well, it says 1975, but I think that's just when this graphic was copyrighted. I'm pretty sure this is a reproduction and not from 1975, but maybe 35 on this one because it's so cool. I'm gonna look up and see if there are any listed like that. Okay, we've got a Guns N' Roses t-shirt. It's from 2016 tour, Not in This Lifetime. The back has the graphics as well. This one is a size medium, so I'll probably list this one around 35 as well. Okay, this next one is Jimi Hendrix. I like this one. It's kind of like a neutral, it's just like a reproduction of a concert graphic tee, and it is a size large, 100% cotton. Again, on this one I'll probably do maybe a little less, maybe 30 on this one, because it's not the tour tee and it's probably not as rare. The band tees I usually list anywhere from like 25 to 35, unless it's something more rare, it'll be more expensive. Another band tee. Another Aerosmith one. I haven't seen one like this before with a truck on it. I do like that one a lot. This one's bigger. This one's a size extra large. I'll probably list this one around $30. Oh wait, there's another one. So this might have been like a leftover from a concert. So this is the exact same thing. Also an extra large. So I'll probably just make one listing with a multi-quantity of those and list them both at 30, but they look brand new. So yeah. So that is it from Grandma Hanger for this box, and I have this huge stack next to me. I'm so excited by her finds because I think a lot of those pieces are really cool, really unique. I'm actually gonna try and get them listed today. So I'm filming this and I'm gonna try and photograph everything and get them listed today or tomorrow. Like I said, everything linked down in the description box below, but thank you so much, Grandma Hanger. I really appreciate you shopping for me and helping me out with my business. I can't wait to, yeah, just get everything listed, and thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'm gonna be making more videos again, so if there's anything that you wanna see, let me know down in the comment section below. I'm always open to suggestions and ideas. I do have a lot of ideas of things that I want to film, and it's going to be a lot of Poshmark related stuff as well as some other lifestyle stuff. Who knows? So make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.